After the recent Indian launch of the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion and Edge 60 stylus smartphones, the brand appears to be getting ready to launch the Edge 60 as well. The phone is likely to launch at the April 24th global event. Motorola Edge 60 come in blue and green color. The phone is also built to be durable, coming with MIL STD 810H certification and expected IP69 water and dust resistance. The Motorola Edge 60 will feature a 6.7-inch curved pole display with a 1.5K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, and it will have an in-display fingerprint scanner. It will run Android 15 out of the box. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Camera hardware will include a 50MP main rear sensor using Sony's LYTIA700C with OIS, and a 13MP ultrawide, and a 3x telephoto camera. On the front, users will get a 50MP selfie camera. Edge 60 handset come with a 5200 mAh battery with support for 68W wired charging. The screen will be protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.